everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Jasmine, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I made this cute, detachable, fluffy accessory for my heels. Fluffy heels have been around for a while. They've been pretty popular, and the bad thing about it is that you need to buy them with the fluff already glued on, and that could be a lot for your budget and then for your closet space if you have too many shoes of the same kind with just one difference in the accessory. So I just decided that it'd be nice to have a detachable accessory such as this fluff for whenever I'm feeling to be a little extra and save my money and save my space in my closet. And with that being said, let's get started.
For supplies, you'll need Boa Feathers, felt, wire and wire cutters or shoe clips, any kind of strong holding glue, scissors, and a measuring device. To get started, take out your favorite sandal heel for the project and measure the band's width and length. These measurements will be used to cut 2 pieces of felt, which will be used as the base of the accessory. Once you have your 2 pieces done, take out your Boa Feathers and cut them to the same length. You may start to notice that your Boa Feathers will fall apart at the ends. In order to fix this, I just put glue at the ends to seal it, and I put glue on my 2 felt pieces and placed the feathers on top. Now this step is totally optional. You can either buy your own shoe clips at the store or make your own out of wire like me. All I did was cut the wire into small pieces, bend them into a U shape, and bend them over again. Here's a demonstration. To make sure my clips were the right fit, all I did was place them onto my shoe band and fix them around until I felt they were snug. I repeated the same process for 3 more. Now for the last step, I am gluing down my shoe clips and cover them with a piece of felt from extra security. Make sure that the U shape of the clip is facing you. And once your glue has dried, go ahead and clip on your feathers to your shoes. And I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I thought it was super easy and affordable and much better than buying a brand new pair of shoes. And here's a final sugar baby or rich housewife look. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your alert buttons. And don't forget to say something nice to yourself today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!